What does a
And just
duck
as
say?
foxes, rectangular prisms can be
What
big
does a
and
frog
big.
say? What does an elephant say? What does a doggy say?
It's a pyramid.
What does a cat say?
Meow.
What does a
Do
dinosaur
you
say?
recognize these
Roar.
pyramids?
Roar.
What does a lion say?
That's
What does the
right.
bird
These
say?
are the Great Pyramids in Egypt.
What's a bird say?
Tweet, tweet.
What do we
Tweet,
see?
tweet.
What
to
does
the
the baby
pyramid
say?
on the sheet of paper and trace its
What
bottom?
does the mama say? Mama.
Mama. Yep.
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 A square.
Yes.
Yes.
This type of pyramid is called a square.
What does Levi say? What does a choo-choo say?
Choo choo.
Choo-choo.
Maybe there's a triangular pyramid.
Um,
Here it is.
what's a monkey do?
Picky.
Monkey.